Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on the keyboard on Realme C67 device. If you feel uncomfortable with autocorrect on your keyboard device, and then you can turn it off by doing the steps. First of all, please open the messaging app, and then you can tap the settings icon at the top of your keyboard. After that, here you can select the text correction option. Okay, and then you can scroll down. And then here you can turn it off like this. Okay, and then the autocorrect on the keyboard on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.